In this tutorial, I will teach you how to delete Backstage account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Backstage, you can use the link under in the video description below and you may get rewards and discount upon signing up an account. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the app, just click this one to, go to your profile. And after go to your profile, just click this pencil icon right here to edit your profile, and right here you have an option to delete your profile, so you can just click it and swipe to delete, and that's it. So just click yes, I'm sure, if you're really sure to delete your profile. And after you do that, your Backstage account will be deleted and your account will automatically be logged out in your Backstage application. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can delete your Backstage account. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.